Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet Picot Trellis stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. The stitch is going to be made up of one row worked into chains, and then 2 rows that you will make after that you will be alternating between for however long you want your project. I will be showing you how to make row 1 into the chains that I have already made on my hook. For this stitch, you'll make chains in the multiple of 5 plus 2, and I have already made 27 chains to start. To begin, you're going to make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to skip 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to be working into this one right here. Make 1 single crochet into that 5th one. So you're skipping 4, and into that 5th one, make 1 single crochet. Make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to skip 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 into this 5th one right here. Make 1 single crochet. Make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 into this 5th one. Make 1 single crochet. You're going to repeat these steps until you reach the end of your row. So that's how row 1 is looking. For row 2, I brought in my test swatch so you can see how the stitch is going to look. To begin row 2, you're going to make 5 chains on your hook. You can see that this is a previous chain 5 on the last row. You're going to work into the 3rd one, so 1, 2, and 3. It's going to be the middle chain. You're going to make a single crochet. You're then going to make a picot on top of that single crochet, so chain 3. Then slip stitch back into this single crochet. I have a few videos on how to make a picot. It's really just your preference. You can make them bigger if you want to by adding more chains. I'm going with a chain 3 on mine. I'm going to leave the videos down below of the videos I have on how to make picots. Next, you're going to make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip over this previous picot. You're going to work into the center chain of this previous chain 5. So that 3rd one again. 1, 2, 3. Make a single crochet. And make a chain 3 picot on top. That's chain 3. Then slip stitch back into that single crochet. Make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip over this picot. You're going to work into the center chain of this previous chain 5, making a single crochet. Then a picot on top. You can repeat these steps until you get to the end of your row. Into the last stitch of your row, you're going to make 1 double crochet. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain on your hook. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. Make 5 chains. Skip this picot. Work into the center chain or the third one of the next chain 5 and make a single crochet and a picot on top. Make 5 chains. Skip this picot, work into the third chain of the previous next chain 5 on the last row, make a single crochet and a picot on top. Chain 5. Skip this single crochet and picot, work into these previous chain 5 into the third one, so 1, 2, 3, make a single crochet and a picot on top. You're going to repeat these steps until you reach the last stitch of your row. Into the last stitch of your row, you're going to work 1 single crochet. So you can see on this previous row, these are some chains, and then this was a picot. You're going to work into the top of these chains, making that single crochet. So that's how that third row is looking. So like I said earlier, you would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. I will have all of the rows time-stamped down below so they're easy to reference back to. And that is going to be how to make the Crochet Picot Trellis stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.